Oh dear, someone's used a permanent marker on my whiteboard, and I've tried water to get it off, as you can see there, and it takes a lot of work. So here's just an idea. Get a whiteboard marker and watch this. Here we go. Okay, and then I was looking for me cloth. There you go, look at that. It's probably going to take a couple of goes, but there we go. Let's clean this. And then I suppose I could use a little bit of water on it and to get the last bit off. Yeah, just an idea.